So we've just come to Wander Home at South Cave and we've just spotted this absolutely gorgeous VW Campervan.
We're not campervan people, but
We're not.
could be tempted. It looks very retro, very cool.
It does. It's not retro, it is vintage.
Vintage.
And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got so many original features. It just looks beautiful inside as well. So.
Yeah, we'll give you a little show around, shall we?
Yeah.
What do you think of it then?
I just think it's so cute.
Do you think it'll tow a caravan? Probably not.
Not. And it's cherry red as well, which is like obviously my favourite colour, apart from orange. But like, it's so cute.
It's nice, isn't it?
It just smells like an old
Campervan.
campervan, but like
Weirdly, it
vintage
is an
one.
old campervan.
It is, but it just smells great. And it's got loads of original features as well, which just
wonder-
make it look super.
Wonder how much it is.
Should we find out? So we've just been inside and the cost of this beautiful little baby is $29,995.
And I can't tell if that's good or bad. Compared to some of the vans we've seen today, it seems very cheap.
Apparently it's ready to go. So
Well, it looks very pretty.
it is very, very cute and it looks great. Inside it's clean. It does look great.
Yeah, very,
It's
yeah.
gonna make someone very, very happy.
Yeah, let's check down the back of the sofa so we can find 29,995.